towards the eels. Christian and Elliot, trained professionals. Today they will embark on a journey towards greatness. The eel that we see today, we're gonna find in Piha, and it's endemic to New Zealand. So that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So it is currently 6 a.m. We're waiting for some eels to come out for their breakfast. Now, by my calculations, they should be here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Two main species of freshwater eel found in New Zealand are the longfin eel and the shortfin eel. The third species, the spotted eel, is found in Australia. The reason for this documentary is for my cousin's dog. He was eating a can of worms, and worms remind me of eels. So, you know, made my life goal to study them, know everything about them, but they can't have sex.
After many years, they migrate into the Pacific Ocean to breed and die. Eels are secretive, mainly nocturnal, and prefer habitats with plenty of cover.
So we've just had our first eel shot at 6 a.m. sharp. I'm not sure if you can see him on the camera, but it's a really life-changing moment. It's not tight enough. Wait, show me the ham on a string. Ham on a string.
So ham on a string is a really good way to bait these eels out because, you know, ham is their favorite food. They love it. Works 9 out of 10 times. It's a really good way to see like what they look like, if they got any scars on them. You know, take care of them. See if they're doing well. Because, you know, eels are endangered, or the ones in Piha at least.
Close shot. Up close shots just so the crowd. Goodbye, my friend. It's gone. It's gone. Alright, that's it folks. Hope you enjoyed our short movie documentary. This has been in the works for 5 months now. We've been in this bush for 4 hours, and I think it's finally time to sign off.
5 days. Goodbye, everyone.
You know, it really breaks my heart to see these eels once again, considering my cousin's dog and that. It's really heartwarming as well, you know, finally being at peace. Oh, there was a rainbow when you did that. Stop the camera. Are you still filming? I'm not actually crying. Here we have Elliot Officer testing the waters to see if it is eel worthy.